Here's what most people do not understand about the quantum field. It is not just some woo-woo field of energy that you believe in to hopefully get the things that you're trying to manifest. I see so many people on this app trying to explain this in a video, but not understanding the fundamental science. So let's break this down. This is actually what the quantum field is. Welcome to class. So in our reality, we have what's known as classical or Newtonian physics, and then quantum physics. Classical physics is what came first, which is actually why a lot of people don't believe in this quantum field or that manifestation is a scientific process, because they most likely took classical physics in high school classes, not quantum physics. Classical physics deals with the macroscopic world. So think atoms, molecules, and anything bigger than that. And like I said, classical physics is what came first because we used to think that everything in our reality was solid matter. That everything in our reality was made up of these atoms and those were solid. And it wasn't until we developed the tools and the technology to look inside of an atom that we discovered an entire other world, the subatomic or quantum world. So in come a new avenue of physics, quantum physics, meaning anything smaller than an atom. It wasn't until we looked inside of an atom where it took everything we thought we knew about our reality and flipped it on its head. And at first, when we looked inside of the atom, we were like, whoa, why is there this tiny, tiny nucleus and just a bunch of space? Or at least that is what we initially called it. But upon further investigation, it was actually this sort of web of waves. Now, stick with me here. This web of waves is caused by the superposition of electrons. Because at the subatomic level, quantum particles behave as waves existing simultaneously in multiple states of being. This creates that infinite field of waves. The field of infinite possibilities for those quantum particles that make up the atom, which makes up the material of things and experiences in this world. And just to tie it all together, those quantum particles existing in infinite possible states of being are influenced by your measurement. So this quantum field is essentially this blanket that extends out across our entire reality that makes up everything that you see before you, but also holds all other possibilities. And it's you who interacts with this field to create your reality. And we will break down how you influence this field of energy so that you can intentionally manifest in a separate video. So like and follow for that, and let me know what questions you have in the comments.